recently purchased a zero clearance table saw insert, and I thought I might take a little time today to install it and get the slot cut in it so that we can begin using it. I want everyone to know that the absolute first thing that I did before raising my blade was to unplug my table saw. And if we hit the power switch, absolutely nothing happens. Now I'm going to take this cord and I'm going to place it right here so that there's no possibility that it could fall off of the table saw and fall back into the outlet and allow the table saw to be powered. I use a writhing knife for all of my 90-degree cuts, and we cannot prepare this zero clearance insert with the writhing knife installed, so we're going to go ahead and remove it. With the writhing knife removed, I'm going to go ahead and lower the blade. Let's put our insert in place. Make sure that it is level all the way around. If it's not level, there are leveling screws that you can use to correct that. For safety reasons, I found a couple of boards that are wider than my table saw, and I went ahead and laid them over the front and back edge of the zero clearance insert and clamped them to the saw top so that we can safely cut our slot in the zero clearance insert. We're now going to reattach the power to the saw. We'll start the blade and we'll slowly raise it through the insert until it's fully extended above the top of the table. I paused momentarily because I want to move this board forward so that we don't cut through it as we make the final lift of our blade. Once again, we've disconnected the saw from the power source. We'll remove our zero clearance insert. I'm going to reinstall my writhing knife, and then we're going to get a measurement of just how much farther back we need to cut so that the writhing knife can clear the zero clearance slot. And using our bandsaw, we'll complete that cut so that we can use our writhing knife with our zero clearance insert. With the writhing knife attached, it looks like we're going to have to cut to the back of this second slot in the insert. So we'll go ahead and extend our line with a ruler, and then we'll head over to the bandsaw and we'll make that cut. Using a ruler, I've extended the slot back to the end of the insert. Now we'll head over to the bandsaw and get this cut out. With our zero clearance slot fully lengthened to accommodate the riving knife, let's test it. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little video. I've been wanting to get a zero clearance insert for my table saw for quite some time now, and I mentioned it in a video a few weeks back, and a number of you guys jumped up and gave me information about exactly where I could purchase the insert I needed for the table saw that I have. And that's why I did this video, not as a how-to, but more of a thank you. Thank you to everyone who jumped in and helped me find what I need. And I just wanted you guys to know that I listened, I went out and bought it, I've installed it, and you're gonna see it getting used in a lot of future videos. I'd like to thank you for joining me in the shop today. I want you to know that you are always welcome in my shop. Come back and see me again real soon and have a great evening.